In today's video, let me show you how to fix TikTok cannot go live. Welcome back everyone to this new video. Now there can be a few cases of this. The first thing that you need to ensure is that you have 1,000 followers. Only if you have 1,000 followers within TikTok, you would be able to go live. So even if you got 8,000 followers, you'll need to at least wait out 48 to 72 hours before the update of your account has been made. So if it hasn't yet been 48 hours at least, you'll need to wait out before the threshold period hits so that your account can have the account or the option of going live. So if this is the case for you, make sure you wait out. But however, if this is not the case for you, what you'll need to do secondly is try to reinstall the application of TikTok. So if you were previously going live and if you're suddenly having issues, in this situation, you'll need to reinstall the TikTok application onto your device. And by doing these few steps, you should be able to fix it. But however, if the issue still persists, then what you'll need to do is make sure that your account has not been live banned. So if you have violated some sort of community guidelines or live guidelines within TikTok, your account may have been violated or may have been banned. In this situation, you will get the exact date that your ban will be lifted. So you need to wait out for the exact date your account will be lifted from the ban. So I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.